Have you ever wondered why some TikToks explode overnight while others barely get views, even when the content seems just as good? Today, we're uncovering TikTok secrets that no one really talks about, so you can finally understand how to grow faster in 2025. The first secret is that watch time beats everything. Likes, comments, and shares are important, but TikTok prioritizes videos that people watch all the way through, or even rewatch. That's why short, engaging clips or loopable videos often outperform longer, more polished ones. Keep viewers glued in the first few seconds, and the algorithm will reward you. Another secret is that your first few views matter most. When you post a video, TikTok initially shows it to a small group of users. If that group watches it fully, interacts, or shares it, your video is pushed to a bigger audience. That's why the timing of your posts and targeting your active audience is crucial. A less obvious secret is that niche content grows faster. Instead of posting random videos, focus on one topic or theme. Whether it's motivation, mommy content, tutorials, Taylor Swift lyrics, or quotes. TikTok quickly learns who will enjoy your videos and shows them to the right people. Consistency in style and topic helps the algorithm understand your content. Here's a secret most beginners overlook. Trending sounds are flexible. You don't need to copy trends exactly. Adding your personal twist or combining a trending sound with your niche can boost your visibility. Originality inside familiar formats is what often makes videos go viral. Finally, TikTok rewards community engagement. Replying to comments, making duets, and interacting with your audience signals to the algorithm that your content sparks real connections. Even faceless accounts can thrive if they engage actively and create content that resonates emotionally. If these TikTok secrets helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more growth tips for 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.